This part of Şanlıurfa in Turkey is for auto repair, so all these shops all up and down here, different kinds of auto repair, electrical, tires, everything, and it's all in one area. So if you have a problem with your car, this is where you come. One of our lights are out, so they're gonna check it out. Merhaba. Good? Looks like they fixed it. Loose cable?
He said we have to go another place.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I know that place.
Okay.
I know them, I will tell them to do it. I thought I go straight to the electric city because this is with electrics.
Oh, now you have to go to Electric City.
No, for people, this place is they can do it.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. They're your friends?
Yeah.
This is very interesting. Okay. Merhaba. Oh, thank you. I got some tea. Merhaba. I don't think this is a stop on the for the tour, but it's really cool. I mean, how often do you see this on a tour? So it's pretty cool. All the auto repair in one spot. No, where are you going?
I will be back.
Okay. You're gonna what? Okay, where are you? You gonna be gone long? Well, I hope he doesn't go like for hours, but in the meantime, I will have some tea. Wow. I know one thing, I need to be in the shade where I won't get run over. A lot of kids here too. A lot of kids working. But it's not a school day. It's Saturday. Merhaba. I'll take a walk, a little walk. I don't know what that's for. Oh, old oil, I bet. Old oil. See if I can figure out. Okay, mechanical, electrical, car. I know OTTO is auto. Utu. I've seen that for the parking lots. OTTO park. Like I said, my guide Taha just split with another guy. I don't think I'd get lost. Where can I go? I'm gonna go. I'll do the block. Merhaba. Okay. Organized tours are fun. I mean, I've been on a small group tour for part of this trip, but this private tour with Taha is the best. The best. I've seen places where I don't think they are on the normal tourist bus route. Let me put it that way. It's fantastic. Can even get some lunch here. This area is huge. Suufla, the city of prophets. That's where I am, where Abraham lived. And again, I'm in the auto repair zone, auto repair city. One thing I've noticed about Turkey, especially in the local bazaars, is like items are together. So shoes are in one part, clothes in another, appliances in another. By that I mean there's like, you know, a bunch of little stores selling the same thing all grouped together. So I think that's how they do it here. Obviously, for auto repair, this is it. I think it might be like this all through Turkey. Getting a lot of looks. Is he back? No. Mahaba. I'm gonna put my tea right here. right there. If you get it fixed,
Yes.
I walked around the block.
Yes.
Yeah.
Did you drink your tea?
I drank my tea. Yeah, that was great. Thank you.